It's April 12th. It's about 8:51 a.m. Central Time. So market's been open for just about 20 minutes, 21 minutes, and I'm looking at CCJ. There's the 1 hour. Just it's eh, it's not having an easy time. There's a 5 minute, but I don't focus too much on the five. But just to see the little minutia here, the daily. Well, here's the weekly. Weekly's looking good. Daily's, I mean, it's there. It just doesn't want to get going. So I'm preparing right now in my position. I'm long these six calls, right? So I'm holding profits already, and I may convert it into a debit spread. I'll call it debit spread. So I'll go from almost $20 of theta by selling these short calls, and receiving some premium, right? So that's the difference I'd be getting, right? So I go from almost 20 to just a little over, or just shy of a little under $6, that I'd be losing every day through theta decay, right? Time decay. So that's what I'm watching right now. So in case I do decide to do that's what I'm gonna do. Um, just giving an update on that. So yeah, I mean, so far it's all right. Just we all just want our positions to take off, right? But so that's a little defensive play to tame theta as well, and it just makes it even easier to hedge should things not turn out right. Should it reverse and go down, back to the downside, or pull back rather. I don't want to make it seem like this is it, that it's not going to go. No, I mean, no one knows, but it's more just a little pullback, right, is what I'm getting at. And so, like, the deltas right now without this selling a premium are just over 200 positive, right? And then if I hedge it slightly, right, by selling some premium, cuts it in half, almost exactly half. So on the defensive side, I would have to um, just get about 102 deltas to properly hedge this. Should it not work out, right? But as we can see right here, now I'm looking. Let's see, just to see the minutia here. It's being bought up right here slowly. So um, there's the 1 hour. So that's where I'm at right now with CCJ. So in case I do that, I'll put this I'll sell these calls here. So, but for now, we remain direction. It's 10:26 Central in the morning, and I did hedge. Well, not completely though. I just sold some premium. Right. It was actually the strike before the one that I used in the example a little earlier this morning. So I'm even six long, six short. So my max profit, if you look at this little teal number, should CCJ get hit 39 or 40, my max profit would be 2100. Not bad, right? Now it's looking really good. If it breaks above that 3169, um, which was the opening or the high range this morning pre market, um, I may add a little bit more to my long side to these right here. Maybe one or two more or something just to kind of give it a little bit more firepower. It won't limit my profits at that point, but got to see. Since it got stuck right here at 3165, we'll see. We'll see how it's doing. But so far, I mean, it's looking good. It's looking good so far. So just want to give that update. And then also on BTU, which is a position that I've had when I was doing the spread with MOS as well. And I'll just touch on MOS real quick as well, because I ended up exiting yesterday. You'll see it in the previous video, the one I updated. I think it was yesterday or day before. Not too sure. But BTU is finally breaking out. Now it needs to get above this little price point that it got stuck in 2 days ago on Friday, I believe. But so far it's looking really good. Let me see here. Yeah, here's the 1 hour. So yeah, there's some kind of resistance right here, somewhere here. So price is hitting and then kind of coming down, but that's fine. It's gonna find its way. You know, it'll find its way. And right now, my spread again, I'm three even, three long, three short, and looking pretty good. Let me just make this a little. 144 for the day, but I'm still holding on to this. So my max profit in this one would be 1149. So it's looking good. I mean, so far it's looking good. No need to hedge completely. Uh, MOS, just to touch on it. All right, it still came up today. Um, you know, but I mean, I took profits yesterday, so that's fine. We gotta see. Let me go to the daily real quick here. Just gotta see how this daily closes today. Maybe it'll come back down a little bit and take off. But make no mistake, the Moss is going much higher. It'll go much higher. So just to before I get off here, let's see CCJ just to look at the profits that this spread is holding. It's perfect, you know. So anyway, I'll leave y'all with that, and it all looks good. And by the way, gold futures looking real good, kind of busting out of this consolidation here. So it's looking good. My miners are doing well, and I'll update a different video with that.